Okay, so let's say you added a new page and you need it to show in your header menu up here. When you add a new page, WordPress does not automatically add the page in your header menu. You have to do it manually, and in order to do so, it's very easy to do. You can completely customize your menu. So to do that, let's go into your dashboard and then go under Appearance Menus. And when you click there, it's going to take you to all the menus that you have on your website. In this site, we have 3 different menus here. Here's the primary menu. It's you could see that it's the primary because it's in parentheses right here. But then when it's selected, you'll also know that's the primary menu because the display location right here says that it's the primary menu. And so just to recap, the primary menu is your main menu in your header, typically up here. So here we have the pages that are currently listed in the menu, and on the left is where you can actually add more pages. So here are the current pages that you have. I like to choose view all so I can see all the pages, all the options that I have. So let's say we want to add a new page. I created a new page and I want to add the new page that I just created, which is portfolio, to the menu. Just click add to menu, and then it adds the page to the bottom of the menu, but you can drag it and you can put it anywhere you want it to go. So I'm going to put it right here. Now let's say you want to, or maybe you want the page to be a submenu or a submenu under a parent page like this, for example. So I'm going to just put that there as an example. You can drag any of the menu items to be sub pages or sub pages. It's up to you. So once you make that change and you drag it wherever you want it to go, just click Save Menu. And let's go to the front end, refresh, and see what that looks like. There you go. And there's the new menu item. I put it under About Us, but let me go ahead and switch back. Now, those are your pages. You can also actually add your posts in the menu. Most of the times you don't really need to do this just because your blog is already in the menu typically, so you don't need to put individual posts in the menu. I don't typically see that, but you have that option to do so. You can also do custom links. Let's say you want to link to an external page or an external website. So all you do is go to custom links right here and make sure that you put in the full URL. So let's find a website and just grab that URL, copy and paste it, put the URL and then the link text. Let's put that text, add to menu. Now, what I typically suggest when you have a link going to an external site, I would like to make sure it opens a new tab so that it doesn't override the current site that you're on. So in order to do that, you have the option to choose to do that. But if you don't see it here, just go up here into Screen Options. And then you could see you have the option to choose link target. So I would check that and then just close this menu. And then when we go back right here, you'll see now this is new. It just came up. Now we have the option to choose open open a new tab for this link. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, save it, and then we can go back to the front end and test it again. And then you can see the new link that I added. And we go ahead and click on it and it opens a new tab. So that is a way to add an external link that way. Well, let's say you want to add or edit a button in the menu. So as you can see here, the download app button is not actually in the menu. So it's not managed here inside Appearance Menus. It's managed in a separate area. So in order to manage the button in the menu, just go to Customize up here in the tab. And then when that loads, you will see that when you hover around the elements here on the page, you could see the option to update that button right here. So just click Edit, that little pencil, and then you could see the button options here. So we have the button text, and then you can add your link to go to anywhere on your site or to go to an external link. Just make sure you put in a full link to the page that you want it to go to. And then once you're done, I'm going to make an edit here so I can get that the save button will be enabled, and then when you're done, you just click on publish, and then that's it for the header button up here. So that is all there is to it to update your menu.